78 pence on the electric today. We haven't really used any, but it starts off high anyway. That's the charge. Why has it just gone up a penny? Why has it just gone up a penny? It's a tiny little room. Look, tiny little room. Tiny little room. And I've just put on a tiny little fan heater, blowing out not very hot air, just a little bit of hot air. The TV doesn't use up anything. It's still on 79. It's freezing. 80. Look about that. It's not even a minute. It's gone up 2p. In less than a minute. So 2p a minute. Let's work it out. 60 seconds. £1.20. A minute. No. No. 2p a minute. 60 seconds. 100 pence in a minute. No, that can't be right. That can't be right. But it is. And you keep opening the doors, don't you? Right, out you go. That's locked now. They're not coming back in. They can stay out there. 2p a minute. 2 pence a minute for this tiny little fan and this tiny little room here in England to try and keep yourself warm. Outrageous.